Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play new Super Mario Bros. Wii on PC multiplayer. First, you'll need to download and install the Dolphin emulator, which is a free and open source program. Next, acquire a new Super Mario Bros. Wii game file, typically in ISO or WBFS format. Once you have both, open Dolphin and navigate to its configuration settings. Adjust the graphics and audio to ensure a smooth and enjoyable gameplay experience. This initial setup is crucial for getting started. Now let's get your controllers ready for action. Connect your gamepads, keyboards, or even actual Wii remotes to your computer. In Dolphin, go to the controller's menu and choose Wii Remote for each player. You'll then map the buttons and motion controls to your connected devices. For example, assign the button and the 1 and 2 buttons. Using a real Wii remote with a Bluetooth adapter can offer the most authentic feel for this classic game. Playing with friends is where new Super Mario Bros. Wii truly shines. Once all controllers are configured, launch the game through Dolphin. From the game's main menu, simply select the multiplayer option. The game supports up to 4 players simultaneously, allowing for fantastic cooperative or competitive fun. Make sure each player's controller is recognized by the emulator before starting the game. This ensures everyone can jump, run, and power up together seamlessly. To enhance your gameplay, consider a few optimization tips. In Dolphin's graphics settings, you can increase the internal resolution for sharper visuals, perhaps to 2 times or 3 times native. Ensure the JIT recompiler is enabled under the CPU settings for better performance. Closing unnecessary background applications will free up valuable system resources. If you encounter any issues, the Dolphin Emulator community forums are an excellent resource for troubleshooting and finding solutions to common problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.